A good father. A loving grandfather. A great mentor and an expert advisor. A strong-willed and intelligent man who shared his joy and laughter with us.
Hanggang may himig pa kong naririnig dito sa ating daigdig. Hanggang may musika kong tinataglay, kita'y iniibig. Giliw, huwag mo sanang isipin, ikaw ay aking lilisanin. Di ko magagawang lumayo sa iyong piling, at nais kong malaman mo kung gaano kita kamahal. Hanggang ang diwa ko tanging sa'yo lang.
We will miss you and you'll always stay in our hearts.
Hanggang pag-ibig ko'y
Thank you, Tatay.
walang hanggan, tanging ikaw lamang. Hanggang may himig pa kong naririnig